Hi, I'm Dr. Ng Wei Xuan from the Dental Studio at Taitung, and we're here to talk to you today about Invisalign. Not sure if you're a suitable candidate for Invisalign? Well, that depends on the position and the eruption status of your wisdom teeth. With the help of an X-ray, your dentist should be able to assess whether your wisdom teeth will need to be removed prior to starting Invisalign. Yes, Invisalign can be done in the presence of good and intact dental fillings. Just make sure that your cavities are filled prior to starting Invisalign. Yes, you can. As long as your veneers are properly bonded, the aligners should fit over your teeth just the same way that they fit over natural teeth. We might expect a slightly longer treatment duration for patients with veneers though. Your dentist will assess the suitability of Invisalign for each case. Still unsure? Consult your dentist and see if Invisalign is the right fit for you.